Hello everybody, Shubham from Team Dual at this side. The main motive for today is to build a e-commerce store with a virtual try-on. If you guys don't know what is a virtual try-on, I'll just show you guys a demo. Wait a second, virtual try-on, and yeah. So it's basically you upload a picture of yourself and you also upload a picture of a clothing item, and it just, the AI model, it basically generates an image of you with the clothing item on, right? So for an example, I'm uploading this image of Selena Gomez with this suit, and I run the ML model over here. It takes time to process. Let's just wait. As you can see, it has generated the image of Selena Gomez with a suit, in the same suit that I gave it, right? So, what we're trying to create is something very similar, but not with an ML model, but using Nano-banana API keys. So, what we're building actually is like an e-commerce store entirely on Dualite. So, let me just an e-commerce store with virtual try-on. So, let me just write in the prompts. Um, what I want to build today is an e-commerce store with a virtual try-on. A virtual try-on. User uploads his picture and the clothing item on the e-commerce store is already there. The two images go to the what can we write better is the two images are sent to Nano Banana Gemini API keys API, and what it generates is the person in that piece of clothing. I'm also going to give some design ideas to it. Okay, let's just put like a generic prompt. The font styles must be elegant. Must be elegant. Hashtag FFFFFF pitch white. Rather, okay. Must be elegant. Hashtag 00 pitch black. Let's keep the theme white, right? And the theme of the overall website must be pitch white. Hashtag FFFFF. This prompt always works. It helps you create like an elegant looking website. So now I'm going to put some reference code for Dualite so that it can like just put in some reference code, right? Image generation with Gemini. They have their own documentation. So the documentation happens to have the code for like sample code which you can use. It has snippets. That is what I'm going to copy. I'm just going to scroll down till I find the website. Yeah, this is what I'm looking for. Combining multiple images, right? It has even given you like an example over here. This clothing item and this woman and women in that same clothing item. So, yep, I am going to copy this entire prompt. Entire rather prompt, not. It's like the snippet of code. Come on. And I'm going to paste it. Here's some, here's the reference code for um, uh, okay, image ingestion, and here's the reference code for image ingestion and image generation together. So yeah, I'm just going to paste it over here. And here is my what I can say, Gemini API keys. So you guys will need Gemini Pro API keys, which is paid for this since Nano-banana requires that, right? I have those. I have those, so I'll just copy paste it over here. And yeah, don't you dare take my keys away. I'm just gonna delete the keys. No, no worries, or hide them, I guess. Let's see. Let's wait for it to generate. Okay, so let us see what it has generated. Um, Looks pretty good. Well, okay, so let me just again maybe try this on and stuff. Okay, it has like a round button and all. Great. Let's see the code a bit. I want to confirm if it has taken the code from here. Okay, so okay. Let me just copy paste this again onto Dualite. I mean, I put up like the context over here. It like took above 2000, and I know it kind of sometimes it happens. Let me just see. What did I do? Oh, okay. Snippets code in Gemini service of TS. You're not using it currently. I can see the model is different. I mean, it is using, but it has somehow put the model different, so I'm doubting. Let's just reiterate it. I can see the model is different than the one I've put in my code snippet. Okay, let me just run it and wait to see. Aha, so I was right. Okay, so now that it has been reiterated, and yeah, in the middle, I also added like a prompt to add more clothing items. It has added more clothing items. Let's like choose, okay, this one. I like this one, trench coat, and I upload the image of Selena Gomez. So I should have the image of Selena Gomez in this trench coat. Let's see. Okay, great. I can see the image of Selena Gomez in this trench coat. It is like wearing the same thing. Yeah, great. I like the outputs. Let's test it out with something else. Okay, like this one, wide-legged jeans. Okay, let's test with this one. It should work, man. Let's see. What jeans there was. Great. It has generated the exact same clothing item with a B. It's very accurate, shit, man. It's very accurate. Be the tear over here and the eye. It's very accurate. I mean, great. So that is it for guys today, guys. For more such videos, we will be posting a lot more examples of items we're going to be creating with Dualite. It has like this is like I don't know, modeling image. I can download it. Okay, great. I can even download it like that. Okay. So that is it from my side for today. I will come up with more such exciting products. You can just subscribe to the channel below. Thank you so much. See you next time.